take a stand. Bottle, blanket, care and cheer. Little lives need you near. Step by step we'll guide you through. Rescue love starts with you. Woke up meowing, crying loud. Found alone but safe and sound. Tiny paws and sleepy eyes. Time to care and save their lives. With Champ and Grace, you'll know just what to do. Saving tiny lives with a bottle and a crew. You're strong, you're kind, and you've got the heart. Let's give every orphan the very best start. If they're weak or won't eat, don't wait, don't fear. Wrap them up snug, keep your vet near. Check their sugar, keep them warm and bright. You can help them win the fight.
What?
Grace says gentle cuddles help them heal. Champions love and care, that's the deal. One small pup, one tiny meow. You're their hero now. With Champ and Grace, you'll know just what to do. Saving tiny lives with a bottle and a crew. You're strong, you're kind, and you've got the heart. Let's give every orphan the very best start. Wipe the bums and clean the face. Warm and cozy, that's the place. Feed on time and let them rest. Cuddles too, they love it best. With Champ and Grace, you'll know just what to do. Saving tiny lives with a bottle and a crew. You're strong, you're kind, and you've got the heart. Let's give every orphan the very best.
For real rescue stories and songs for kids and animal lovers, subscribe to the Rescue Buddies on YouTube. Join our pack and let's sprinkle some kindness in this world.